I'm Ebony North for InvestmentPitch Media. Thanks for joining us today. Nextech3D.AI, formerly Nextech AR Solutions, a generative AI-powered 3D model supplier to major e-commerce retailers, has reported record revenue for its second quarter ended June 30, 2023, in its preliminary unaudited financial and operating results. Revenues for the second quarter ended June 30, 2023 were $1.4 million, up 155% over the second quarter ended June 30, 2022. Revenues for the 6-month period ended June 30, 2023 were $2.7 million, up 157% over the 6-month period ended June 30, 2022. Gross profit remained consistent at 38%, contributing $1.1 million year-to-date and $500,000 for the second quarter. Management anticipates that gross margins would increase to 40 to 50% next quarter, and further increase in the fourth quarter and into 2024 as its AI takes over. Nextech3D.AI, a diversified augmented reality AI technology company, leverages proprietary artificial intelligence to create 3D experiences for the Metaverse, focusing on creating 3D web AR photorealistic models for the prime e-commerce marketplace, as well as other online retailers. Evan Gappelberg, Nextech3D's CEO, has joined us to discuss today's news. Welcome, Evan.
Thank you, Ebony. So in today's news, Nextech3D.AI reported record preliminary Q2 revenue up 155%. And more importantly, we've guided towards breakout Q3 revenue up 200% to a range of 1.7 to 1.9 million. That's on the backdrop of surging 3D model demand for our company. A lot of this is due to the fact that Amazon is now leaning in to the 3D modeling business. Our generative AI is now positioning the company for breakout revenue growth in Q3 2023 and beyond. If we look at Q2 numbers, I mean, they were quite impressive, but what makes me quite excited is the growth that we're seeing, the growth that we're experiencing in Q3 and what we're projecting for Q4. Based on the current order flow from Amazon, we're projecting breakout revenue in Q3, and we believe there's potential for upside to our Q3 numbers. You know, again, the 1.7 to 1.9 million. We believe this is the quarter that really is the breakout quarter for the company. We waited 5 years for this moment, and it's finally here. And I could not be more excited as last week we announced a $2.2 million increase, a significant increase, an expansion in our contract from Amazon, our largest customer. So last week, we announced a $2.2 million expansion contract from Amazon. Today, we're announcing that our Q3 numbers are going to be impacted in a significant way, and really highlights the global demand for 3D model production in the thriving e-commerce ecosystem. But it goes beyond just e-commerce, because we recently announced that we're entering into the gaming ecosystem, creating 3D models for some of the larger gaming companies like Nintendo and Take-Two, and also entering the manufacturing industries as well. So if you look at the sectors that we're in, there really are growth sectors. If you look at the 3D modeling business, it is starting to explode for us, and we are cashed up as well. We just did a financing, so that is in the rear view mirror. We're not looking at any additional cash financings in the near future. And so we now are in a position where we have enough cash to accommodate the increased demand that we anticipate in the second half of 2023 and beyond. Thank you.
Thank you, Evan. The company has a history of developing or acquiring what management believes are disruptive technologies, and after commercializing them, spins them out as standalone public companies by issuing a stock dividend to shareholders while retaining a significant ownership stake in the spin-out. On October 26, 2022, Nextech3D.AI spun out its spatial computing platform ARway.ai. ARway.ai is disrupting the augmented reality wayfinding market with a no-code, no-beacon spatial computing platform enabled by visual marker tracking. Nextech3D.AI retained 13 million shares in ARway and distributed 4 million shares to its shareholders. ARway.ai is currently listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol ARWY, in the U.S. on the OTCQB under the symbol ARWYF, and internationally on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange under the symbol E65. On June 14, 2023, the company completed a spin-out of Toggle3D.AI, a groundbreaking SaaS solution that utilizes generative AI to convert CAD files, apply stunning 4K texturing, and enable seamless publishing of superior 4K 3D models. Following the same plan, the company retained 13 million shares in Toggle3D.AI and distributed 4 million shares to its shareholders. The company has appointed Anthony Pizzonia, CPA, to the Board of Directors and Audit Committee. Anthony has over 30 years of experience in operating, financing, and business development within the public markets, and has a demonstrated ability to manage financial and operational challenges within dynamic and growing businesses, and currently serves as Senior Director of Finance for GS1, a global standards organization. Previously, he held a variety of positions including CEO, CFO, and Director over 24 years at Alarm Force Industries, one of the largest residential security companies in North America. The shares are trading at 39 cents on the CSE. For more information, please visit the company's website at nextechar.com or contact Evan Gappelberg, CEO, at 866-274-8493. For investor relations, contact Lindsay Betts at 866-274-8493, extension 7201, or by email at investor.relations@nextechar.com. I'm Ebony North for Investment Pitch Media.